Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Hotspot on your ZTE Android TV Box. Your ZTE can work as a hotspot device, which is really great. And to do it, you'll need to click on the settings button on your remote. Now go to Network and Internet and go down to Hotspot. Now, once you enable portable hotspot, it just works. You can change the hotspot name, the security level. Basically, there are two ones, WPA to PSK, which is secured with a password, or none, which means that there will be no password. Of course, it's way better to have a password. Now, there's hotspot password. You can click on it to view it, and you can also click on OK button to change it. I will change it to make it a bit easier to type in. I'll just set it to something very simple. Remember that it has to have at least 8 digits. Now let's approve it. No, I actually didn't want to do an enter. I'll go up. Let's go to OK. Now it'll refresh, and once I go to my mobile phone, I'll be able to go to the settings. Let's go to the settings, then Wi-Fi. Now I should see Android AP, because this is my hotspot name. I'll turn the Wi-Fi off and on. It should find it. I don't really see it here, but I could also click on Other and enter the hotspot name, so I'll try to do that. So yeah, you enter the hotspot name. Remember that it's case sensitive, and only do that if you can't find your network on the list. Now let's join it. And I believe that it should join it now. Yes, it does. And it actually works as a hidden network. So maybe that's why it wasn't available here. Remember that you can also change the AP band to 2.4 GHz, which is more compatible, will be compatible with more devices, but 5 GHz will be faster. Now, that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.